Today we're going to eat and taste treats from other places like Japan food, Chinese food, and now I'm going to show you them. This is like a walnut thing that has like kind of like a waffle but a square shape, and I think it's gonna taste like cereal, kind of like crunchy cereal.
That one's durian.
And this one is not from another country, but we got it, and it's a banana stick with like granola on it, and it's white chocolate.
No, that one's white chocolate with almonds. Okay. And it is from another country. You can see it. It's in different writing on the box. Okay.
No.
Yeah.
And I think it's gonna taste like a banana.
Okay.
And this is Kit Kat,
What flavor?
and I think it's Japanese. And instead of the chocolate flavor, it's potato flavored.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato, and I know it's gonna taste like a sweet potato. So this is Seaweed, and it's original, and it's also from, I think it's from like Japanese, I think, and I think it's gonna taste like I don't know. I can't tell.
Okay, next.
We got another one, but it's spicy, and it has crab in it. I don't know if I'm gonna try this. This is, I don't know what this is, but it's a chip that has, what is this? Garlic, and I think it's gonna taste like a garlic chip, like a really garlic chip. And this is like maybe apple, or a cherry gummy. And I think it's gonna taste like a cherry.
That's salted plum.
And this is like, I don't know. It's like these little breads that are like, you get buns, I don't know, and you make them hard, and then, yeah. And I think they're gonna taste like hard bread, like really hard bread. What are these called again? What are these called?
The guy?
Yeah.
Ampanman.
Ampanman is chocolate, and it's gonna taste like walnuts with chocolate because it is walnuts with chocolate. And I guess all the things are done.